Residents of Mountainside, I am Mayor Paul Mirabelli with an update on the COVID-19 epidemic. As I have been stating my last few updates, I think it is important to continue to thank all of the doctors, nurses, and other medical support staff who are on the front lines of fighting to save lives from COVID-19. These people are truly heroes. They risk their own lives in order to save lives. They miss time from their families so that they can protect your families. They are to be commended for their heroic efforts. I want to thank our first responders, Mountainside Police and Fire Department, and most importantly, our EMTs and Rescue Squad. They must all be commended for the sacrifice and their continuing dedication to be on the front lines in the fight against COVID-19. As you are aware, there are a number of new executive orders from Governor Murphy. The first, as a result of the executive order to allow the opening of county and state parks on a limited basis, Union County parks will be partially reopened on this Saturday, May 2nd, for limited and passive activities only, subject to statewide restrictions imposed by Governor Murphy. The county's 2 golf courses will be open next week after some routine maintenance is conducted. Union County parks will be opening on the following basis. 1. All group activities, including picnics and other gatherings, remain prohibited. 2. Only individual activities are permitted, such as walking, jogging, cycling, and fishing. For those activities, individuals accompanied by family members, caretakers, household members, or romantic partners only. Park visitors must stay on the marked path and observe signage for social distancing. Park visitors are encouraged to wear masks. The following county facilities remain closed until further notice: restrooms, picnic areas, athletic fields and grounds, exercise station, Trailside Nature and Science Center, Wananco Park Center, Watchung Stables, Echo Lake, and Wananco Dog Parks. In Mountainside, the Borough, Our Lady of Lourdes, and the Board of Education fields are also open with the same restrictions as the county. These fields are open to the following same restrictions. All group activities and other gatherings are prohibited. Only individual activities are permitted, such as walking, jogging, cycling, and fishing. For those activities, individuals may be accompanied by family members, caretakers, household members, or romantic partners. Residents must stay on the paved path. Residents are encouraged to wear masks. The following facilities remain closed until further notice: all athletic fields and playgrounds. These limited openings provide for our residents to benefit from healthy activities while diligently observing proper social distancing. The virus does not disappear outside, so let's continue to be safe and help save lives by observing the 6-foot social distancing guideline. The next executive order extends the grace period for taxes due on May 1st, 2020 to June 1st, 2020. However, if your tax payment is not received by June 1st, 2020 by statute, the interest accrues back to May 1st, 2020, the due date. The following are options to pay your second quarter taxes. To pay by e-check, go to our website under the Finance Department at www.mountainside-nj.com and choose the e-check option. For this quarter, we will credit the $1.05 processing fee towards your third quarter taxes. We cannot accept cash at this time, and we cannot credit the merchant fee for using a credit card or a debit card. You can also use the drop box 24/7, which is located in the Borough Hall lobby. You can mail your payment to the Borough Hall Tax Department and include a self-addressed envelope if you require a receipt. You can use online banking by going through your bank website and request an e-check be mailed to us, but please have it scheduled to arrive before the end of the grace period to avoid interest. Another executive order clarifies a list of essential businesses. Pet grooming businesses, pet daycare, and pet boarding are deemed essential retail businesses. Licensed owner, operators, employees, or independent contractors of personal care service facilities are not permitted to provide personal care in their own home and in the homes of others or in any facility or business setting unless the individual personal care service provider is providing the service to their household members, immediate family, or other individuals with whom the personal service care provider has a close relationship with, such as those for whom the personal care service provider is a caretaker or a romantic partner. A prior business relationship does not qualify as a close personal relationship. The New Jersey Supreme Court has issued an order that allows municipal court sessions to resume to the extent possible based on facilities, technology, and other resources. As a result, on May 7, 2020, our municipal court will have a limited court session with only the municipal court judge, Frank Sahai, court administrator, Cindy West, municipal prosecutor, James First, and public defender, Joanne Nealon, present in the courtroom. They will conduct court on matters that have been resolved by way of a plea agreement between the municipal prosecutor and the defense attorney. These matters will be placed on the record by Judge Sahai in accordance with New Jersey State AOC policies. I will keep you advised about other court sessions. The New Jersey Department of Labor and Workforce Development announced that recipients of the federal pandemic unemployment assistance to self-employed, independent contractors, and others who are not usually eligible for unemployment insurance benefits will start being notified of the PUA eligibility today, and the department will begin making payments on Friday. PUA is a new program authorized by Congress as part of the CARES Act to provide unemployment benefits to workers not eligible for regular unemployment, in addition to people who are self-employed or independent contractors. This includes those who do not have enough recent earnings to receive regular unemployment benefits. Workers in this group who have applied for regular unemployment and have been denied do not have to do anything further. The department will start reaching out today and will start processing payments this week. There are a number of volunteer programs and fundraising activities that are taking place in Mountainside, which demonstrates what a generous community the Mountainside is. Several of these programs I have already told you about, but there are some new ones. The first is the Mountainside Cares program, who, as of April 30th, have raised $27,500. These donations have come from mainly 335 Mountainside families, as well as the Mountainside Newcomers Club, the Green Machine Little League team, and the Mountainside Travel Car Show. They have spent $21,289, and with the support of our local business owners, delivered 2,449 meals to Overlook, Atlantic Ambulance, Mountainside Rescue Squad, and police over the last 7 weeks. Truly amazing. The businesses that have contributed are Basilico, Mosaico, Tarantella's, O'Brien's, Famous Dave's, Bavella's, Public House, Mazzella's, Crohn's, Mountainside Deli, Madison Bagel, Salad House, and Grain, Allen's Deli, Doria's, Zappia's, Chiaffi's of Union. These are all Mountainside businesses or owned by Mountainside residents. Please support these businesses. They are all open for pickup and takeout orders. Some offer delivery. Check their website. Mountainside Cares has also provided home-cooked meals for our rescue squad and police department every Friday. 55 gift baskets have been sent to Trinitas Hospital staff. Mountainside Cares have also partnered with Flag Berkeley Heights to provide meals, snacks, and drinks to Elizabeth EMS and Fire and their FEMA partners. Through Mountainside Cares, Mountainside children have sent cards of encouragement to Overlook staff, get well cards for the montage that Overlook is putting together for patients, and they've sent an amazing montage put together by our schools for Overlook staff. Mountainside Cares is truly a grassroots community organization. Great job, Mountainside Cares. If you want to make a monetary donation to support Mountainside Cares, you can do so through Venmo at Amy-Raddick. Please continue to support this wonderful program, which is a great example of the support Mountainside has shown for hospital personnel and first responders. The next program is our Senior Meals program, which continues to thrive. On Wednesday, April 29th, Zappia served 108 meals. On Friday, May 1st, Sheelan's Crossing is scheduled to serve 89 meals. As a result, 1,636 meals have been served. On Saturday, May 2nd, Public House is offering roasted salmon with skin on, grilled asparagus, potato puree, and dill cream for $10. On Monday, May 4th, Mazzella's is offering meatloaf and macaroni and cheese with baby carrots for $10. On Wednesday, May 6th, Outback Steakhouse is offering steak, mashed potatoes, broccoli, salad, and bread for $10. On Friday, May 8th, Chiaffi's of Union is offering personal pizzas for $5 and a sweet box from Bavella's for $10. Saturday, May 9th, Tarantella's is offering chicken oreganado with pasta and veggies for $10. All of these meals sound delicious, especially when you're waiting to eat dinner, but you're here making this speech instead. Any seniors interested can contact Kim Moriak at 908-812-4434. Kim is also coordinating a food shopping plan with Stop and Shop in Westfield so seniors do not have to go out to the store. The Watts Foundation has offered to pay for 50 meals for the Stop and Shop employees who are part of this program. This program also includes volunteers who can pick up prescriptions. Right now, there are over 100 seniors and 54 volunteers who participate in these programs. I want to personally thank all of the wonderful volunteers and the businesses who are contributing to these programs. This is the type of community spirit that will help us get through this crisis. This is a new fundraising activity which is run by 2 scouts, Daniel, who is a first-class scout at Troop 177, and David, who is an Arrow of Light out of Pack 177. They have been producing 3D printed face shields and ear comfort strap since the beginning of April. The demand for PPE equipment had been so great that an extra 2 printers and supplies were purchased through the generous donations of the community. To date, the boys have donated PPE to New Jersey Railroad Police, Union County Police, Mountainside Police and Fire Department, Newark Police Department, Linden Fire Department, Holy Trinity School, assisted living, and daycare centers. As the community starts to phase back into society, the boys will continue to provide PPE equipment to other businesses to keep the workforce safe for as long as it is needed. Daniel and David, in true Scout spirit, feel that giving back to the community and keeping the front line safe in the fight against COVID-19 is an honorable thing to do. If you wish to donate, please go to https://www.gofundme.com/ears-hyphens/straps-hyphen-ears-hyphen-first responders/all. Boy, that's a mouthful. Please make a donation, though. In order to keep you safe, when you're walking on the streets, and I see a lot of people out there on the streets, you should always walk facing the traffic, and please do not text while you are walking. If you are walking at night, please wear something reflective so it is easier for cars to see you. Please don't wear just black. Let's keep safe when we are exercising. Imagine, which is a center for coping with loss, which is located in Mountainside, is offering free virtual support groups on Wednesday evening at 8 o'clock for healthcare professionals, police officers, mental health officers, caregivers, and other helpers who are working tirelessly to keep us and our families safe. To register, please check the Mountainside website or Facebook page or Imagine's website for more information. With respect to the positive tests in Mountainside, since Monday night there has only been one additional resident who has tested positive for COVID-19, which brings the total to 60 as of 4 p.m. this afternoon. We also had the first Mountainside resident death not related to a long-term care facility. She was a 77-year-old female. I want to express my condolences and prayers to her family, as well as all the families of loved ones who have died as a result of COVID-19. These are not just statistics. Each represents a precious life that was taken by this disease. What a tragedy. Now more than ever, we need to continue our efforts to stop the spread and to flatten the curve. I urge all Mountainside residents to cooperate in order to protect themselves, our families, and our community. It is extremely important that we continue to practice social distancing and wear a mask or other face covering when you are in public. This is not a suggestion. It is each resident's civic duty to promote social distancing and wear a mask. I call on all parents to set a proper example and practice social distancing at all times. Our children will do what we do. Also, parents must make sure when people and parents interact with each other, they maintain social distancing even with your neighbors. This crisis is not over, and we must continue to battle this terrible disease. Please try to remain calm. I am confident that we will get through this, but only if we work together and each do our part, especially with maintaining proper social distancing. We must continue to be strong, be safe, and not let our guard down. If possible, stay at home. Only go to the grocery store and pharmacy if necessary. If you must go, wear a mask or face covering. When shopping and standing in line, Customers should keep 6 feet between themselves and other patrons and staff. Individuals should not enter a retail facility or interact with anyone if they have symptoms consistent with COVID-19, such as a cough or fever, or if you have been diagnosed with COVID-19 or are undergoing a quarantine for potential exposure to COVID-19. Again, wear a mask when you go out, even if you feel healthy. This will help stop the spread to others who are most vulnerable. If you have been diagnosed with COVID-19, you must quarantine yourself, even from other family members, until your healthcare provider tells you it is safe to interact with other people. It is everyone's community duty to maintain social distancing, to stop the spread and flatten the curve. Mountainside can win this battle. No matter where you are, please remember to check on neighbors and our senior residents, which I know many residents are already doing. Practice social distancing, wash your hands, and try not to touch your face. These practices will save lives, but only if everyone, young and old, adhere to them. Be safe. God bless all of you, and God bless Mountainside. Thank you.